Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can resolve your problem. Problem is that your phone number verification is not entering and they cannot verify. So how you can resolve that? Just simply just that when you're just trying to sign in your account and maybe just sign up your account of Apple ID and if they face issue that they cannot verify your phone number. So simply just follow the steps to fix your issue. Simply just go to the general section and to have to make sure that you just update the latest iOS version and also make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that when you're trying to creating the Apple ID and at that time your VPN is not connected. Simply just go to the general section and just scroll it down and just go to the VPN and device management and here you just have to disconnect VPN from here before going to create your Apple account. After that, simply just go to the transfer or reset iPhone and just tap on reset and just reset the network settings from here. That's it, the main setting. You just have to make sure that do that to create your Apple account and just verify your phone number in your Apple ID and the problem gonna solve. After that setting, simply just go to the Apple ID quick creation and if you again facing a problem, simply just sign in and sign up your account of your Apple ID from the Safari, maybe the Google. And after that, just sign up your account and verify your phone number and just go on that section of your settings and just sign in. So that's the video. After that, if you facing again problem, simply just go to the support team, tap on that and Safari and just go to the spot or apple.com and just select your device and just scroll it down to the end and here just get spot and you see that password and security, just tap on that and here you just have to just check out the problem according to you. If you don't find, not worry, simply just select a random one just like that. Apple account activation, security concerns, or account compromise. Because when you just try to enter your phone number, it's mean that you just have to secure your account. So it's related to the security concern or account compromised. So you just have to select that. Just continue it and just scroll it down, and you just have to just report a problem. Just get more helps. And you see that call-outs and you just get the number of Apple support team and just try to call them and tell your problem and your problem. After that settings, before which I tell you, if your problem gonna solve, you don't have to contact that. If your problem not gonna solve, simply just call the support team on the Monday, maybe to the Friday. So that's the time you just have to just follow their times and just call them and just tell them you're facing that problem and your problem gonna solve. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.